Hello guys, this is my first video. The topic is additional simple additionals of C plus or and C. Okay guys. This is my okay. You have to first hash include slash greater than and less than. We have to write that. Okay. The next one is stdio. In the program, we have to write this. Confirm, we have to write this. Okay, guys. Greater than, less than. cno dot o con dot o dot h, guys. Void main okay guys, int a comma b. Okay, int result printf enter the a. It's like we have to write this. Okay, next scanf, we have to write scanf bracket and this double quotations, and next we have to write %d. It is a format specifier. Okay guys, the next one is we have to write, next one is comma a. No, comma space and a. Okay, the long period I had learned this, so I have forwarded it. I'm saying now. Okay, enter the enter the b value and semicolon. Scanf brackets and %d comma space hence b. The variable is b. That's why we have to write b. Okay guys, the next one is we have to write the result is equals to no. We have to write the result is equals to a plus b. I am doing the addition now. Okay, and printf the sum of %d comma, I'm writing this shortcut guys, comma a comma b comma result. Okay, semicolon and get ch / and we have to check the errors also now. Okay, we have to check the errors, please. I think it is no errors. I think so. Okay, I will press. It is okay. Now we have to press here run. Here run is there no guys. We have to press here also. We can run the program and we can click Control F9. The program is on. I click the A number 25. B number 25. See the answer. The sum of 25 is 25. Okay. This is the way to program the C. Okay guys. Please subscribe my channel guys and like my channel. Bye guys.